Hello YouTube, Sean. Right now, I got my hair cut, and my brother's girlfriend's just texting me right now. Oh well, I just got done talking to Mason. Look up his YouTube channel. I forget what it's called. It's Mason something. I have it in the back of my head, but I can't remember right now. Hey, say hi to my dog. He's crazy. Right now I have on shorts. It's pretty hot in my house. Today it was outside. It's supposed to be windy, it's supposed to be 20. The wind's supposed to be 20. Lots of rain today. If you live in Pennsylvania, it's going to be windy. Lots of rain. Here, let's see what my brother's girlfriend texted me, alright? Alright. Hold on. Tell Jeff to get on Facebook. No. Is your brother alright? Tell him to get on Facebook. Please, Sean. And I said no. It's not my girlfriend, not my problem. Mason Sagers right now is having a YouTube thing right now. And guys, please comment down below that you want me to do today. This is the dumb video I know right now. Nothing to do. Since my friend's making a video about me, I feel I'll make a video about him. Look at my dog. My dog sits up on his 2 legs and sits there like a prairie dog. Sorry, boy, but you can't. It's alright. Oh yeah, did you guys see my haircut? I made a vlog about it last night, but it's dumb. So I didn't decide to post it. My dog's being a weirdo. Hey. Follow Mason Sager on Instagram. I'll re-download it. And look up Sean Shuffstall on Facebook and Messenger. And look up Mason Sager on Facebook and Messenger. If you ever find me, and if you can't find Mason, send me a screenshot. I'll send you a screenshot of his profile. Alright? Crap, those winds are blowing really hard. I have to go. Bye, guys. Oh yeah, subscribe, hit that like spike, and do it the same to Mason. Alright, bye.